Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the WPF to MAUI Snake app. So last time we prepared our application to the WPF Snake application, prepared it to migrate over to MAUI. What we did was we separated the project. We have the dependent WPF stuff and the main project, and then the non-dependent stuff in the snake.core library. So today we're gonna create that MAUI application, but I noticed that there's an error. I don't know if this happened during the separation, but yeah, the high scores don't load anymore, so they're not shown. And yeah, so let's fix that first. I think partly that's because the JSON ignore is ignoring the focus, but it's lowercase here, and when we are saving them and loading them, we're loading them into the higher case. So I'm just gonna remove this observable property because we don't really need it. It doesn't have to be an observable. So I'm just gonna go focus. Just create a normal get and set. Do the same here. Get set. Let's see if that already does the trick. Oh, gotta make that public for sure. And then public. Alright. Okay, still not. Let's make this an observable property. And here we go. We got the scores back. Okay, so the problem was the JSON ignore files and making this an observable property. So yeah, let's just give it a quick run. Let's make a new score and then enter name because the file was pretty empty. Okay. Alright. So, alright. And perfect. Alright. So that's working again. Yeah, I'm gonna commit these changes. Yeah, I'll do that afterwards. Alright. Yeah, so now let's create that MAUI app. So let's open up another Visual Studio. And so here. We'll select the MAUI app. We'll say next. Project name will be MAUI Snake. And already create? No. Let's go make MAUI snake. And select next. Let's go with .NET 7. Okay. Let's just run it real quick, make sure everything's working. Ooh, but I already see. Okay. Huh, it's not running. Okay. It's not running. So okay, why is this? Oh, great. Let's look at the properties real quick. And general. Let's try .NET 6. Set everything to .NET 6. So we got iOS, Android, Windows, and Tizen. Yeah, whatever. We don't need that. Okay. Okay. Windows, Project Snake doesn't have target. I don't want to run this. I want to do Windows. Okay. Let's try it. Hmm. That's always great when, I mean, not even the default project worked, so I don't know what's going on over at MAUI. Ah, okay. Now we, yeah. Alright. That seems to work now. So, yeah, .NET 7 is not working for MAUI, but okay. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. So we'll just uh, set the project back to .NET 6. Alright, I paused the video for a second because I wanted to find out why it doesn't work on .NET 7. And since I am still using an older machine, which is Windows 10, and .NET MAUI does not seem to work for people that are using Windows 10. So you can't use .NET 7 and Windows 10 for MAUI. That's an issue that is also on GitHub, which is noted, and yeah, so I don't know why they released a yeah, I don't know why they released a release which does not allow Windows 10 users to run .NET 7 for MAUI. So yeah, if you're using Windows 10, you have to downgrade to .NET 6, and then you can use uh, MAUI. So yeah, let's just continue now. I am going to add an existing project. So let's add the snake.core, and yeah, we will change this to .NET 6. We're not targeting anything here specific, just set it to .NET 6, be fine. Alright, and then here we will add a project reference to the snake.core, and let's make sure that works now. I don't, why is this always happening here? Oh, it's being used by another process. Okay, maybe I need to close that. Okay, so yeah, this works. Okay. Why is this still set to .NET 7 right here? Six, six. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so let's open up the snake application WPF, and then we'll start copying over some of the views. So let's do like split screen. So let's add a, yeah, we need to copy over the class, make that class. This will be the main window view model. Yeah. Okay, didn't rename it, but whatever. Okay, let's just do all, and then we'll paste that in here. Oh, actually, partial. It's fine. Window view model. So we have to remove this window. We can't use that in here. And this is not WPF, this is MAUI. We'll just remove the view models namespace, and then we will remove that. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. Can't use that. Yeah, the key events. We'll just comment that out for now, because we will need that later, but we're gonna have to do something different here. Okay, okay. So I guess I can't use this either. Command, oops, nope. Okay. So we got rid of all the errors, except for this one. Okay, so here we got the main page. Yeah, and this will be our main page also. So basically all the things that we have in here, we're gonna move over. So let's do that now. I'm just gonna copy all of this and paste that into here. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna have a lot of issues because I mean, MAUI is, you know, you can build desktop applications for it, but it's not built for that. I mean, it's not designed for desktop. It's let's be honest, it's used for mobile applications. And I mean, WPF has been available for a long, long time, and this is, you can't really compare MAUI to WPF. So you have a lot more things you can do with WPF, and MAUI is actually pretty limited. So we're not going to be able to use a lot of these controls that we have in WPF. So if you're trying to make a desktop application with MAUI, you're going to be limited a lot. But yeah, okay, so this doesn't exist. Let's remove that. Radius doesn't exist. What do we got here? Center. Alright, so we don't have horizontal alignment. No, it's called horizontal options, yeah. There's no text blocks, it's all labels. So yeah, I got the font, and here we got font attributes, horizontal option. There's no view boxes, so we don't have automatic scaling, which is gonna be a pain. We don't have any canvases. It's gonna be called graphics view. And the graphics view doesn't just take an ellipse, you have to make a drawable. So yeah, you can remove all these easy animations. We can't do that in XAML. We're gonna have to do that in code behind. And I can already give a first heads up. We're not gonna be doing a lot. I mean, it's not gonna be pure MVVM. We're gonna have to be doing some code behind. There's no way around it. And yeah, it's not as clean as WPF is. So horizontal options. Okay. Alright, so let's get rid of that. We can get rid of this border. That items control. This is the snake, right? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make another graphics view here. I'm gonna paste that in here and then I'll comment that out. Okay, let's create a new directory and we'll call it, so they're not called controls, I think they're, what are they called? Content page and content views, yeah, so content views. And here we'll add our first content view, which is gonna be this right here, and we'll call it what do we have? Got the main menu control and high scores. Main menu content view. Let's just create another one. We'll call it the high scores content view. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. MAUI content view. High scores content view. Okay. Let's copy that over. Yeah, I'm not gonna copy those animations. We're not gonna be able to do them anyways. So I'm just gonna copy this grid. So let's make a label, font, attributes, foreground, text color, horizontal options. This is gonna be I think a list. Yeah, list view. List view. Yeah. Make a list view here. Label. Label. Oh no. This text box is going to be an entry. So we have no character casing. We don't have a border thickness. Just foreground. Text color. And don't have an attached property yet. Text color. Horizontal options. Button. I think we just got the text right here. Vertical options. It's not bottom, it's end. So we got the options. Text color. Yeah, stroke. Frame. Color. Border color. Yeah, so that's border color. Stroke. I know there's is there a thickness? Background bindable border width. Ah, yeah. So border width. What do we have also, which I missed? Foreground, text color, background. Okay. Yeah, the style is not gonna work. Oh, actually we can try to make that work. But I actually have to stop already. So, yeah, I mean, this is gonna be the first two videos. I mean, I had to spend some time, getting that MAUI project to run, but next time, yeah, we'll do the rest of the XAML stuff, and then we'll start getting into, getting the application to run and start showing some things. So, yeah, I gotta stop here because I gotta get the kids ready for school. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.